Alright.
Alright.
Oh, yes, sir.
Little feisty guy. Oh, there's another one, Trey. There's a school of them. There you go. Yeah, just reel it fast, though. Oh, do you got one? Maybe. Oh, you got one! Trey, you got one! Yes, sir. Reel him up. Bring that boy up. Yes, sir. There you go.
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, just double. Oh, for the camera. Yes, sir. Good stuff. There they are, dude. They're still hitting.
Nice, bro.
Little guy.
Oh, you got the one that zip line. You got the one that zip line.
He smacked it, and then I just stopped, and then I just let it sit, and he was just like, "Oh, he's dead." No, he's not dead. It's number 13 or something around there. If they hit it, just let it drop and don't touch it. And then eventually, see, that's why you don't want to do that, because he only hit that. He's got it again. That's a good one.
That's a big one.
Got it.
What is it?
314. It's almost a 4-pounder.
Let's go. Hold that up again. Look at that.
Like, they just get excited and then just start. Damn.
That's a big one.
I guess he set the hook good on him.
Yeah.
Thank God. Hey, you stop shaking, you scallion. Me and Trey double up once more.
Ripped a hole in his lip, though.
Doubled up. That's okay. He'll be all right. He's gonna heal. Bye, buddy.